Laundry anxiety is real. It's just laundry. It should be easy. But why is it so frustrating? Oh great, socks again. Which ones are paired? Is this navy or black? Why do I only have one polka dot? Then there's the great sock escape. Where on earth did they all go? And sometimes you have to sit there and you can't leave until they're done. So you sit there and stare at the dryer and you think about how much you hate your life choices. You're wasting 20 to 30 minutes every week doing this. It's almost 24 hours a year sorting socks. And that's not even the worst part. The worst part is when you're late to work because your clothes are still in the dryer. But there is a solution. You don't have to sort them out. You don't have to pair them. You don't have to waste time trying to find their friends. They're always together. But what if your socks just stayed together? This is Loxx. These socks are connected. You don't have to think about them anymore. Here's the secret. They're magnetic. Strong enough for the wash, easy for you to open. This is how it feels to have an extra 20 to 30 minutes every week. No pairing, no sorting, no stress. Just put them on and conquer the world. Laundry isn't the problem. It's your socks. Loxx. Smarter socks. Less stress. More time. Grab your first pair. The first load's on us. Something awesome for everyone. Look at the link below for special discounts. Send us questions or comments. We can't wait to help you save time, money, and more importantly, no more laundry anxiety.